Okay. Today we'll start with circular function of a complex number and hyperbola functions of a complex number. We have already discussed the circular functions in terms of exponential function. Okay. That means cos theta equals to e to the power I theta plus e to the power minus I theta divided by 2, and sin theta can be represented as e to the power I theta minus e to the power minus I theta divided by twice I. We have to remember these two formula. In everywhere we have to use this. Now if we replace theta by z, then it transforms to cos z equals to e to the power I z plus e to the power minus I z divided by 2, and sin z equals to e to the power I z minus e to the power minus I z divided by twice I. Just replacing theta angle by z. Now similarly hyperbola functions, sin hyperbolic x equals to e to the power x minus e to the power minus x divided by 2. But observe that in hyperbolic function I absent, imaginary number I absent. Okay. Similarly cos hyperbola will be plus and sin hyperbola will be minus. I absent, remember it. In hyperbolic function I will be absent. Tan hyperbolic what will be? Sin divided by cos, formula 10. That means e to the power x minus e to the power minus x divided by e to the power x plus e to the power minus x. Similarly cot, sec, cosec, we get this formula. Now in geometric notation, geometric definition of sine, this is the hyperbola. This uh, green, not green. This color what's actually?
Blue.
Blue color. This blue color indicate the hyperbola, but the red point position of the position at any point of the hyperbola. So at this red point, the coordinate will be cos hyperbola t, comma sin hyperbola t. Okay, but in circular function, in everywhere the red point will be moved through a circle. Okay, this is why this is circular function. And at any point of circle, the red point indicates the coordinate cos t, comma sin t. Okay, this is the actually circular function of geometrical notation, and this is the hyperbolic function of a geometrical interpretation. So for cos hyperbola t, this is blue, and tan hyperbola green, and red will be sin hyperbola. This whole path of hyperbola. Okay, arc length of a hyperbola. Similarly, cosec hyperbola, sec hyperbola, and cot hyperbola can be represented by this. So cos theta equals to e to the power I theta plus e to the power minus I theta divided by 2, and sin theta equal to e to the power I theta minus e to the power minus I theta divided by twice I. I is present in circular function, remember it. But in hyperbolic function, I is absent. In every formula, I is absent. A relation between circular and hyperbolic function, sin ix equals to I sin hyperbolic x. We have to use this formula. Sin hyperbola ix equals to I sin x. This is the formula for relation between circular and hyperbolic function. Similarly, cos ix equals to cos hyperbolic x. But in hyperbole, in angle there is no I. Remember it. Sin hyperbolic ix equals to I sin x. Cos hyperbolic ix equal to cos x, and tan ix equals to I hyperbolic I tan x. Now formula of hyperbolic function: cos hyperbolic
Sir,
square x minus sin hyperbolic square x equals to 1. Okay, tell me any question?
স্যার আমরা এখানে sin hyperbolic ix যেটা লিখছি ডান পাশে স্যার।
Yes. হ্যাঁ,
হ্যাঁ স্যার,
ix
ওটাকে আমরা স্যার i sin x লিখছি না স্যার, ওটাকে স্যার sin ix লেখা যায় না?
no, না,
কেন
I
স্যার?
sin x, এটা ফর্মুলা, দিস ইজ দ্য ফর্মুলা। উই হ্যাভ, তুমি এগুলো প্রুফ করতে পারবে, এটা প্রুফ করব আমরা, আছে নেক্সট আছে।
আচ্ছা স্যার।
Now another formula of hyperbolic function. This is actually relationship. Cos hyperbolic square x minus sin hyperbolic x equals to 1. Relation between circular and hyperbolic function. This sin hyperbolic x plus or y or x minus y equals to this formula sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. But hyperbolic function, all will be hyperbolic function. Now we can use this identity for prove some relationship. Suppose prove that cos hyperbolic x minus sin hyperbolic x whole to the power n equals to cos hyperbolic nx minus sin hyperbolic nx. Look like de Moivre's theorem. Now left hand side cos hyperbolic x minus sin hyperbolic x whole to the power n. Cos hyperbolic x equals to what? This is the formula e to the power x plus e to the power minus x divided by 2 minus sin hyperbolic x equals to e to the power just minus negative sign. Now taking LCM, we get 2 into e to the power minus x divided by 2. 2 cancel, e to the power minus nx, equation number 1. Similarly, right hand side, using the formula e to the cos hyperbolic x formula, nx e to the power nx plus e to the power minus nx divided by 2. Similarly, using the formula, we get left hand side equals to right hand side. Example 41. If tan theta plus I phi equals to cos alpha plus I sin alpha, then prove that theta equals to n phi divided by 2 plus pi by 4 and phi equals to half log tan pi by 4 plus alpha by 2. That means this is the given condition and we have to prove angle equals to theta equals to this and phi equals to this. Now we have tan theta plus I phi equals to cos alpha plus I sin alpha. This is the given condition. Similarly, complex conjugate of this. Complex conjugate of this. That means theta minus I phi. What will be? Cos alpha minus I sin alpha. Okay. But we can write tan twice theta equals to tan twice theta equals to tan theta plus I phi plus theta minus I phi. Can we write? Twice theta equals to this
जी सर
theta
लिखते
plus I phi plus theta minus I phi.
लिखते
Okay,
भाई सर
this is the formula of tan A plus B. Tan A plus tan B. Tan A plus B. What formula? Tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B. Okay, tan A plus B formula. Tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B. Now tan theta plus I phi what? Tan theta plus I phi cos alpha plus I sin alpha. Okay, tan theta minus I phi what will be? Complex conjugate cos alpha minus I sin alpha. This is the given from given condition. Just putting these values 1 minus tan theta plus I phi this and tan theta minus I phi this from these two given. Okay, from these two. Now I sin alpha cut plus minus cancel. Cos a plus b into a minus b formula what? A square minus b square. Okay, but I square equals to what? Minus 1. This way minus minus plus. Similarly, sin square theta plus cos square theta 1. 1 minus 1 what will be? 0. Something divided by 0 what will be? Something divided by 0 equals to infinity. Okay,
जी
infinity.
सर
But infinity in what? Tan 90 degree. Tan 90 degree equals to infinity. This why tan theta equals to tan twice theta equals to tan pi by 2. Okay, tan twice theta equals to tan pi by 2. Tan cancel, angle equals to angle we can write. 2 theta equals to pi by 2 for general values. But 2 theta equals to just for 10 we can use for solution of trigonometric equation. Twice theta equals to n pi plus pi by 2. This angle pi by 2. Theta equals to what will be? Just dividing by 2 on both sides. And pi divided by 2 plus pi by 4. Similarly, again tan twice I phi can be written as tan twice I phi. Theta plus I phi minus theta minus I phi. Can we write? Tan 2 I phi equals to tan theta plus I phi minus theta minus I phi. Theta cancel. I phi minus minus plus. I phi plus I phi. What will be? Twice I phi. Similar case, tan a minus b formula what will be? Tan a minus tan b 1 plus tan a into tan b. Putting putting the values of these two, tan theta plus I phi equals to this, tan theta minus I phi equals to this. Just putting these values. cos alpha will be cancelled. A plus b into a minus b formula. Cos square theta into sin square theta. 2 to cancel I sin alpha. That means tan 2 I phi equals to what? I sin alpha. Remember it. There is a formula. Tan ix equals to I tan hyperbolic x. Tan ix equals to what?
Then
I tan
hyperbola x.
hyperbolic x. So tan twice I phi can be written as I tan
10
twice pi.
twice pi. Hyperbolic
Okay,
twice pi.
tan hyperbolic twice pi. This equals to I sin alpha. I cancel. Tan hyperbolic twice pi equals to only sin alpha. But for in exponential form, e to the power twice pi minus e to the power minus twice pi, e to the power twice pi plus e to the power minus twice pi from exponential formula. Sin alpha equals to this. Now component to divide into. Using component to divide into. That means numerator plus denominator. Numerator minus denominator. Okay. 1 plus sin alpha divided by 1 minus sin alpha. This cancel. 2 into e to the power twice pi divided by 2 into e to the power minus twice pi. Sin alpha can be written as 1 minus cos pi by 2 plus alpha, like this formula. Okay, this is the
Yes, sir.
90 degree or 90 degree. Cos will be transformed to sine, but in second quadrant. 90 degree plus theta plus something. That means second quadrant. Cos will be negative. This is why minus sin theta. So using this formula for this, we can write 2 to cancel e to the power 4 theta. Base same adding power. E to the power 4 pi equals to 1 minus cos 2a formula. 1 minus cos 2a formula, what will be 2 sin square a. 1 plus cos 2a formula 2 cos square a. 1 minus cos 2a formula 2 sin square a. M is what? 2 into this divided by 2. 2 into 5 by 4 alpha by 2. Okay.
Yes, sir.
2 into that means 1 minus cos 2a formula 2 sin square a. 1 plus cos 2a formula 2 cos square a. 2 to cancel. This means tan square. Tan square e to the power 4 pi equals to tan square this. Taking a square root on both sides. Taking a square root on both sides. E to the power twice pi equals to square will be cut, cancel. Tan 5 by 4 plus alpha by 2. Now taking logarithm on both sides. Log. Taking log e to the power twice pi equals to twice pi. Okay. Log e means what? Cancelled. Log e. By using properties of logarithm, log e to the power twice pi equals to only twice pi. This is equal to log e based log. Log 10 this. So phi equal to what will be half divided by 2 on both sides. Half log e 10 pi by 4 plus alpha by 2. This is the required result. Okay, example 42. If u equals to e based log 10 pi by 4 plus theta by 2. U equals to log e based log 10 pi by 4 plus theta by 2, then prove that 10 hyperbolic u by 2 equals to 10 theta by 2. That means this is given condition. U equals to this. This is the given condition. We have to prove 10 hyperbola u by 2 equals to 10 theta by 2. Now we are given u equals to log e based log 10 pi by 4 plus theta by 2. Taking exponential form on both sides. Taking exponential form on both sides. E to the power u equals to e to the power this. Okay. But e log will be cancelled. This is the properties of logarithm. E log will be cancelled. Then we get only 10 pi by 4 plus theta by 2. So e to the power u equals to 10i plus b formula what? 10i plus b formula. Can you tell me? Anyone? 10a plus 10b divided by 1 minus 10a into 10b. Okay. 10a plus b formula. 10a plus 10b divided by 1 minus 10a into 10b. 10 5 by 4 means what? Only 1. 10 theta by 2. 1 minus 10 5 by 4 means what? 10 45 degree. Only 1. 10 theta by 2. So e to the power minus u. 10 5 by 4 means 10 45 degree. Only 1. So e to the power minus u equal to what will be? Inverse of this. Okay. Inverse of e to the power u. 1 by e to the power minus u. 1 by e to the power u equals to what? E to the power minus u. This will be also inverse. That means 1 minus 10 theta by 2 divided by 1 plus 10 theta by 2. Making inverse on both sides. then we get this equation. This is equation number 2 and this is equation number 1. Now by component dividend of equation 1, e to the power u equals to this, numerator plus denominator divided by numerator minus denominator equals to numerator plus this, numerator minus this will be in denominator. So 2 will be cancelled. We get this equals to only tan theta by 2. This equals to 3. Now tan hyperbola u by 2 can be written as an exponential form, e to the power u by 2 minus e to the power minus u by 2 divided by e to the power u by 2 plus e to the power minus u by 2. Just using exponential form of hyperbolic function, tan hyperbolic function. Okay. Now e to the power u by 2, this minus e to the power minus u by 2. Okay. E to the power u by 2 plus e to the power minus u by 2 into e to the power u by 2 divided by e to the power u by 2. Multiplying e to the power u by 2 on both numerator and denominator. Okay. Just multiplying with this. Same e to the power u by 2. Now e to the power u by 2 multiply e to the power u by 2. What will be? Only e to the power u. Because e to the power this multiply this, what will be? E to the power u by 2 plus e to the power u by 2. U by 2 plus u by 2 what? Only u. Half u plus half u, what will be? Only u. And e to the power minus u by 2 into e to the power u by 2, what will be? E to the power 0. E to the power 0 means what? 1. E to the power u by 2 into e to the power u by 2, what will be? Only e to the power u. Plus e to the power minus u by 2 into e to the power u by 2, what will be? Only 1. Okay. So, but this equals to e to the power u plus 1 e to the power u minus 1 equals to what was? E to the power theta by 2. So we can write this equals to tan theta by 2 by equation number 3. This is the proof of our given relationship. Example 54, separate into real and imaginary parts of this. Square root over I to the power square root over I. Okay. Now we have root over I equals to I to the power half. But I can be written as polar form cos pi by 2 plus I sin pi by 2. Cos 90 degree equals to 0. I into sin 90 degree what? 1. So only I to the power half. By de Moivre's theorem, we can write cos 5 by 2 into half 5 by 4 plus I sin 5 by 2 into half sin 5 by 4. Cos 5 by 4 means what? 1 by root 2. Sin 5 by 2, 4 means 1 by root 2. Cos 45 degree, 1 by root over 2. Okay. Sin 45 degree also 1 over root over 2. So root over I equals to can be written as what? This means what? E to the power ix. Cos x plus I sin cos theta plus I sin theta e to the power I theta. Exponential form. E to the power I 5 by 2 to the power half means what? E to the power I 5 by 4. Now root over I to the power root over I equals to e to the power I 5 by 4 to the power root over I equals to this. Okay. Just putting here. Now this power, this power to the power. So e to I to the power 5 by 4 will be multiplied with this. I to the power 5 by 4 root 2 plus I square divided by 4 root over 2. I square means what? Minus 1. So this can be written as e to the power this into e to the power I 5 4 root over 2 equals to e to the power minus 5 divided by 4 root over 2. But e to the power I theta formula what? Theta means what? 5 by 4 root 2. So e to the power I theta equals to cos theta plus I sin theta. Now real part what will be? This is the real part and this is the imaginary part. Now equating real part equals to this and imaginary part will be this. Very easy. Example 59. Show that the for real values of AB, for real values of A and B, e to the power twice AI cot inverse B into bi minus 1 divided by bi plus 1 whole to the power minus a equals to 1. We have to prove this condition. Now consider bi minus 1 divided by bi plus 1 equal to, this comes from where? From the condition we have to prove. Bi minus 1 divided by bi plus 1, this one. This can be written as bi minus 1 divided by bi plus 1 equals to bi minus 1 equal to what? I square. I square equal to minus 1. Just using this. I square equal to minus 1. This is minus I square here. Now taking I common in numerator and denominator, we get b plus I divided by b minus I. Just taking I common. Now taking minus a power on both sides. Okay. This to the power minus a and this to the power minus a. Taking log on both sides. Log. Why log? Log on both sides. Log bi minus 1 divided by bi plus 1 to the power minus a equal to log this. Now power will comes before log according to the properties of log. So minus a log equal to this. Log m by n, formula what? Log m minus log n. Okay. For division we use minus negative sign in logarithm. So this equals to minus a log b plus I. B plus I. This equals to log square root over b square plus 1 plus I tan inverse 1 by b minus log, this can be written as b square plus 1 plus I tan inverse 1 by b. Here b equals to base and 1 equals to what? Perpendicular, and angle will be theta. So if cot theta equals to b, then tan theta equal to what will be? 1 by b. If cot inverse b, then tan inverse what will be? Cot inverse b equals to, then tan inverse 1 by b. Using this, we can write this one from triangle. So minus this I tan inverse 1 by b, I tan inverse 1 by b, twice I tan inverse 1 by b. Log this will be cancelled. Now this to the power minus I equals to, this equals to this one. Okay. Now taking exponential function on both sides. Exponential